So in this Freecash tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to withdraw money for an Amazon gift card here on Freecash. So once Freecash is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom bar. In between My Offers and Rewards, press on the Cash Out option. Once you're on the cash out screen, it's pretty straightforward. You can check your balance here at the top. In my case, I have $11.32. If you wanted to cash this out for an Amazon gift card, just scroll down past PayPal, Google Play to get to Amazon right here. When you're on Amazon, you can withdraw for a $5 gift card, 10, 25, 50, etc. So in my case, I will just use $5 as an example. Now in my case, I don't have enough money to withdraw, but if you did, you could press on the dollar amount right here and then proceed with the next steps in order to get an Amazon gift card in exchange for your money on your account. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can withdraw money for an Amazon gift card here on Freecash. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.